neighbor! My name is Hannah and welcome back to my channel, Pretty Hippie Me. My channel is about fashion, makeup, and life in general, so if that's interesting to you and you like this video, I hope that you subscribe and set your notifications to all so that you can stay in touch and be part of a little neighborhood that we're forming here on my channel. Today's video is the beginning of a small, almost series of videos that I'll be doing from home, partly because of social distancing, which I'm a big proponent of. I hope you wash your hands and stay home when you can, but also because I just moved. So the timing is actually quite helpful for me because I have a lot of stuff I need to do around the house anyway. So this is kind of vlog-ish, kind of informative. The first big thing that I wanted to do that I recorded for you guys was decluttering my closet because I had a stupid amount of clothing. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm still figuring out how to use a camera. So yeah, I had a stupid amount of clothing and I don't want any of it to go to waste, especially the stuff that's too big for me now since I've lost weight. So I went through almost all of my closet at this point and I've decluttered it, and I've decided to post it in videos in clothing categories. It's kind of a fun way, I think, for you to get to know my closet and where I shop and what I wear on a day-to-day basis that maybe you don't always see in the videos, as well as see my thought process behind each piece and watch me get rid of some things that I no longer need. And hey, if you need to declutter, if you need to organize, if you want to do some stuff around the house, feel free to pop this video on while you're doing that kind of thing and we'll declutter together. I think that's a great way to use this time, is to reclaim our homes and our living spaces so that when we go back to work and we're all stressed out, we can come home to a place that's more calm and we can use this time that we're not spending with other people, with ourselves and with our homes and with our pets and our loved ones, and still find ways to be productive and purposeful. So go ahead into it and I'll see you at the end. Okay, it is crop top time! So it's been almost a year since I wore any of these, so time to figure out which ones still fit me. This is half of the outfit that I wore on my first date with my boyfriend. It's this honestly quite thin white crop top. It's not all the way cropped, but it's belly button-ish on me. So I'm definitely keeping it at least for memories. This one I am gonna try on because I'm not exactly sure how it fits me now. I know how it used to fit me literally 2 years ago almost, but let me see how it fits now. So it's a little longer than I remember it being, but it's still very comfortable and it fits me nicely. It's a little thin, but I'll layer underneath it, and yeah, I like it. I'm glad that it still fits me since it's such a sentimental piece. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, all right, another one. This is a little tank top that's not supposed to be a crop top, but for me it is. I got this at Goodwill or something, and I just really enjoy it. This with some mom jeans, I feel would be super cute, or even a little skirt. I just feel I like having one piece be a little vintage and then the other piece be modern. I really enjoy that for the summer. So this will be a good little spring summer top. This crop top is technically not a crop top. It's a size small, oversized shirt by Ya. It's literally called YA, Ya Los Angeles. I wear it as a crop top. I think it's super cute. I love the buttons on the back and the mixed textures, so I'm keeping that. This is just a little maroon, not front t-shirt. I don't feel I need it. As soon as I did that, I felt reservations. So I'll wait until a little later in the summer to see if I still want it. A lot of times I throw away solid color items and then I have all of these colorful skirts and I wish that I had something solid color to wear with them. And then I remember, oh, I got rid of that solid color t-shirt. So let me keep it around for a little bit just out of practicality. This shirt I love. It fits me perfectly right now, and it hits my waist right where I want it to for a crop top. Literally have not looked at it yet. Yeah, the length is right. I just need to, I just ate, so my belly is sticking out a little bit right now, but I need to do some ab stuff and regain my core shape that I used to have. But I love myself the way I am now. and I will also love myself when I have a better core, but I love myself now. So this one is definitely a keeper, like the previous ones, and I'm gonna move on to another. I forgot to mention the previous crop top, the black with the floral. The brand is Decree, and it's from the JCPenney Juniors department, actually. It's a few years old. So is this shirt, a few years old. I really like this. This is very on trend for the year that I bought it, which I think is like 2015, with the print and the black and white. But I still like it as a crop top that's not a solid color. And if I get some high-waisted jeans in my life, then this will be really fun to wear for the spring. So I feel like it fits me. It's a little worn out and dingy, but this might be a good final summer to wear it. This crop top is from American Eagle Outfitters. It's my favorite color, and it's a pretty perfect length for like just above my navel. So there's a lot of pants and shorts that I have where this will be perfect. I do have a couple of other olive green ones, so I'm debating if I should choose one or two of my favorites, or if I should just keep them all because I wear olive green a lot. But I love the fabric of this. The fit is great. It's American Eagle. I'm going to keep it. Okay, this is olive green crop top number 2. It's also like high neck, short sleeve. This one's just a little tighter, and it has this little knot here, and it's a different shade of olive. So I feel like this is a good one to have because it's a little shorter than the previous one. It'll be like for a different look, and maybe for a pant that's like a little bit of a higher waist. Like if I go back to American Eagle and get those mom jeans, it would look great with those. So I think this is worth keeping because it's a different shape than the previous one. I think 2 is allowable. I'm gonna have 2, that's fine. I forgot to mention for the previous olive green crop top with the knot right here, the brand was called Gauge. It was sold at like TJ Maxx, I think, is where I got it. This one is from Wild Fable at Target, and this is kind of the best of both worlds from the previous 2, where it's a straight across line, which I do enjoy better than the knot because the knot goes up and creates a little more of like a tummy look. So this is a nice straight across line. It's more fitted than the first one. So like all of these little details to me give me different outfit ideas of what I would wear with these, especially because this one is a little bit shorter and the first one was like down to here. That inch makes a difference when you're tall like me. I think I'm gonna keep all 3, to be honest with you, and go ahead and judge me for it. I love olive green. You can't take that away from me. Not that you want to, I don't know. Yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do. This shirt is like on the line for me between being like a crop top and a full length shirt because it's short. It goes to like just below my belly button. Up on the sides it comes up a little bit higher, so it kind of feels like a crop top, and when I style it, it like functions like a crop top. I very often wear this shirt to sleep, to go to the gym, to do other kind of like definitely casual activities. And I think that's because it's kind of dirty looking. I've had it for a while and it's gotten dingy and beat up. So I like it, but for the purposes I use this for, like sleeping and going to the gym and occasionally running errands, I feel like I could do better. Like I don't use this shirt for looking nice. I don't have any special memories attached to it, so I can let go of it. Okay, this top, this is from Flirtitude Active, which I think is from like a JCPenney Juniors brand. The issue with it is that it's incredibly thin. When I first bought it, I didn't realize, and then I think over time it's gotten a little more thin and like stretched out. So I'm gonna turn 27 this June. So stuff like this I feel like is just not really becoming. And as much as like there's a part of me that likes it because it's cute and it's young and it's like I'm sporty, even though I'm definitely not sporty, I think that I can do without this top. I have other tops that are better if I want a crop top. So I'm gonna also say goodbye to this one. This crop top I really like, and I feel like it serves kind of the same purpose that the previous one does in my wardrobe. It's boxy, oversized, feminine, cute, floral, but it's not thin and see-through. I can feel more comfortable walking around in the world in this. I'm pretty sure I got this at like a Goodwill. It's by Bongo, which again, I think that's like a Kmart brand. I'm not fancy, guys. Regardless of the brand, I just think that it's a cute, floral, boxy tee type of crop top. So I like it, I'm keeping it. So this is a long sleeve crop top by a brand called Simlu, S-I-M-L-U. And here's my issue with this top. It's a size 3X and it says that it's made in the USA, but it's obviously not USA sizing. I ordered this top back when I was wearing like a 2X or sometimes 3X top, which I'm not right now. This is how a 3X fits me, and I'm usually wearing an XL shirt right now. It's honestly like a touch tight, and when I was wearing a 2X or 3X top, it was very disappointing to receive this in the mail and have it be so much too small for me. So just keep your eyes out. I don't know if it's a Junior's brand. I don't know anything about this brand. If you see this brand, Simlu, just size way up, apparently. Now that these actually fit me, the white one and the black one, I'll actually be able now to try styling them. I have an issue with like long sleeved crop tops or cropped sweatshirts or cropped sweaters because I'm like, in what weather is it cold enough that I need to wear a sweater or long sleeves, but also warm enough that I want to wear a cropped version? I don't understand how that works. So for this and the black one of these, I need to play around with it a bit, but right now my first instinct is I don't know what to wear with these. If you're somebody who loves a long sleeve cropped item, please leave a comment below about what you usually wear with these and what time of year and like how this is supposed to work. Thanks. Okay, the rest of the crop tops I've tried on recently, so I know how they'll fit me. This one is a wrap style floral crop top from Exhilaration at Target. I like it, and Sierra Schulte has this top. I've seen it in one of her thumbnails, but it's just with the wrap in the front. Before I gained weight, this was okay, but since I've gained weight and now I'm losing weight, and like I said, my boobs are sticking around for God knows why, it's gonna be too much cleavage. Also, it's like kind of hard for me to figure out what to wear it with what's practical for me. So I just gotta say goodbye. Very cute, very pretty, just not super usable for me. This is from American Eagle Outfitters. I got it actually at an American Eagle outlet. This is like more of a bralette bra top type of thing, and it fits me, it's cute. So I'm gonna keep this around. I'm not gonna wear it as a crop top probably, unless I get some super high-waisted jeans, but it's still a good top that I love to wear, or bra, I'm not sure. Bra top, something. This is one of my favorite springtime items. You probably can guess that it's because it's white, it's crochet, it's mixed textures. It's gonna be like kind of oversized and drapey on me, which because it's kind of see-through and you'll be able to see my silhouette through it, I think that's gonna be really pretty. It's Forever 21 Plus. I got this on Poshmark, I want to say. I'm not sure, either Poshmark or a Facebook group. And it's just like such a pretty, unique item. I just think it's so cute. I love wearing this. So I got this shirt and then a matching shirt in a different colorway last summer when I was like really running out of options for what to wear. I like grabbed these at TJ Maxx, I think. I didn't love them then. I don't love them now. They were just cheap and something that I could wear easily, and now I can kiss them goodbye because I don't need them. Thank you for serving the purpose that you did. This shirt, this is not a crop top, but it's a casual shirt. It kind of is skin showing. This is from Forever 21 Plus. It's like this, it's like a hooded sweatshirt material, like sleeveless sweatshirt top with a stripe around the sleeve and the bottom, and it's like mesh here on the sides. This is a really fun like workout item, or when you want to feel athleisure-y, but you don't want to commit all the way to like going to the gym. So this is just like fun to wear and casual, so I like to keep this around. This one is also not technically a crop top. This is like a vintage shirt. The name of the brand is Simon. On me, it fits like a crop top and it's glittery, and so I think it's fun to wear like for a summer evening somewhere. It's lightweight and pretty breathable. I feel like it's a good transitional like spring, summer, fall piece because it's short sleeve, it's glittery, and it's navy blue, which is an all year round neutral color. So I like this, it's super cute. I'm keeping it and I'm wearing it. I like crop tops way more than I actually have reason to wear them. That's my problem with a lot of my clothing is It's stuff that I like, and a lot of it I don't necessarily have a reason or way to wear, but that's another topic to address another time. This is another one of my favorite shirts. It's my Jesus shirt. I'm a Christian person, and I got this for Christmas, I want to say, from my brother, and I cut off the bottom. I'm Christian, but I can also take a joke, so like I love this shirt. I love like the humor of it, and it's gonna fit me, and it's just like a fun, easy t-shirt to wear. It makes people smile. I like it. I like having it. I'm gonna wear it. Because I got it as a gift, I'm not exactly sure where it came from. I think it came from like an FYE or a GameStop or like one of those like merch shirt places. I don't know if you can go out and find this though, but I just think it's fun. Now I have 2 of these tanks. The brand is called Shine Star. I'm not even really sure if they're supposed to be compression tanks or active tanks or what, but I just really enjoy wearing them. They're very like compressive stretch fabric. I have this royal blue and this black one. The black one sometimes I'll wear by itself, like as a bra underneath something else, because sometimes I like to go bra free, and this is a shirt that supports me enough that I can do that. Although now we'll see, now that I'm losing weight but my boobs are sticking around, we'll see if they can be held within the shirt. But I really love these guys. They're just like super fun, easy shirts, and now that I'm thinner, they'll work better on my body, and there'll be less like they're rolling up because I have rolls. They'll actually like stay down a little better, which is nice. They're also fun to wear underneath this, which is this like oversized mesh tank, kind of crop tank thing. The brand is Lucy, I guess. I think I got it at TJ Maxx. I haven't actually really worn this very much. So like this and the other like kind of athleisure leaning pieces are not what I usually go toward, but I just think that sometimes it's a fun element to throw in. So I'm gonna try to wear them more this summer. And if I don't, then I'll get rid of them because I'll know that it's like really just not my thing. Now I'm actually small enough to wear them and try them out. So it's good to have them and look at them and reassess them this spring and summer. So that was my crop top declutter. I hope you found it interesting. I'll be posting more soon. Let me know how you wear crop tops in your life, where you go shopping for them, what brands you recommend. Now that I'm getting rid of a few, I might add more to my collection, but I'm pretty happy with the collection that I have right now. Were you surprised at all about my shopping habits that I described? Do you shop similarly, or do you spend more or less than I spend on my clothes? Let me know all of that in the comments below. I just really look forward to hearing from you. While you're down there reacting to the video in the comments, I hope that you also like and subscribe and set your notifications to all. I'm so happy and grateful for all the recent subscribers. We're almost at 100 as of filming, which is like really crazy to me because I remember not too long ago I was like searching for 50, and now we're almost double that in less than a month. So I'm really grateful. Thank you so much to all of you who have found me, and you leave such kind comments saying that I deserve more subscribers, and I really appreciate that so much. This time, while my channel is so tiny, is still really sentimental to me because I feel like I'm going to get to know each of you who is commenting, and each of my subscribers is just so special to me right now. So thank you so much for watching my videos and for spending your time here with me. I really appreciate it. So much love. Bye.